Hi, welcome one, welcome all to Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus is a challenge by Crafty Kitty, and as the name says, she is very talented with crafts. She does wonderful DIYs. Visit her channel. I'll put a link to her channel in the description box below, and let's do some Hocus Pocus. I'll put the playlist link also in the description box below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button given below the video and ring the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Hocus Pocus Part 1 is about creating a Halloween decor item, and I'm going to create 3 Halloween decor items. So let's start. Keep watching. For the first DIY, I surfed internet and looked for some banners for Halloween. I found this witch's brew and arsenic poison very appealing. One can get printouts and use them. I decided to sketch them on a piece of paper with a pencil. Then I finished them with a black felt pen. To give it an aged look, I used some crayons from my kids' stuff, and I used a biscuit color crayon and the brown crayon on the edges to give it an aged, old, seasoned look. Then I cut it in shape and pasted it over a stained glass, and my 2 bottles of witch's brew and arsenic poison are ready. My second DIY is inspired by an Instagram image, and I made my own sign over a brown paper using black felt pen, and it read, "Home of a wicked witch, a handsome devil, and their 2 little monsters." That's my family. And like this, and I cut it into size for a picture frame. I took my picture frame and removed the existing paper, replaced it with my code, and just fixed it back again, and I love this one. For my last DIY, I took some brown paper and cut them into 6 pieces for my banner. I made 6 of these pieces for the word spooky. I wrote each alphabet in each separate piece of paper using a black color, and I did it roughly to give it rough edges and not so neat, to give it that little spooky look. And then I pasted them on the jute string using a craft glue, and my bunting or banner is ready. Arsenic poison to our drink, which is brewed. This one, home of a wicked witch, a handsome devil, and the two little monsters. Dark candle pot. This is my Halloween Hocus Pocus corner.